This video is for instructions how to create a simple recording buffer so you can measure values. I'm using the potentiometer here as a substitute for the data that you would get from the accelerometer. If you open up a BufferRecorder, I will show you a quick demonstration, then explain the code. So I'm essentially running it right now, uploading it. It'll finish done uploading. Starting the serial monitor, that's how we would change the different states. So if I click the R button, it will initiate a simple recording sequence. 2, 1 countdown. I'm just fiddling with the potentiometer, as you can see here, and the recording is done. What's essentially it's done is record 20 different types of points of which you're reading data from the potentiometer. And if I simply click P for print, it will output that value. You can see right here from 20 and all the different values. So what I've shown you is how you can essentially create a chunk of multiple data points that can simulate over a duration of time, these 20 points over time, the readings that you get from the accelerometer. So simply, the key thing here is that there is a buffer I created. In this case, it's size 20. It can be any size you wanted to do. I am essentially getting value from the potentiometer. Where is it? It's somewhere. Value, essentially, that's the potentiometer. And I'm looping 20 times, which is the size of the buffer. Each time, it's right here, looping 20 times. Each time I'm reading analog read from the potentiometer, and then I'm recording on each of the data values that value. So, and I'm waiting for 1/10 of a second. 1,000 equals 1 second, so 100th is 1/10 of a second. So I'm doing this 20 times over 1/10 of a second, so essentially 2 seconds of recording. So varying these two numbers, the size of the buffer, how many you loop, and the delay will create essentially a time value. And you can see it creates those different types of values, and you can use it to compare. Use this with the next video that shows you how you can pair a different set of Arduino to output to a text file so you can do more advanced manipulation instead of copying and pasting this whole time.